In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a personal portfolio website in Figma. Start by opening Figma, either in your browser or the desktop app. Once you are in, head to the Figma community. You can find it from the left sidebar or the top navigation. In the search bar, type Portfolio Templates. You'll see a range of options: modern, clean, and more creative styles. Take a moment to preview a few and choose one that matches the tone you want to present. Whether that's minimal and professional or bold and artistic. Look for clear typography, good spacing, and layouts that showcase projects effectively. When you've found the right fit, click Open in Figma. This duplicates the template into your files so you can edit it freely without affecting the original. Now let's customize content and styling. Starting with text, replace the placeholder copy with your own. Update the main headline to capture who you are and what you do in a single confident sentence. Refresh the subheadings, short bio, project descriptions, and any calls to action so they reflect your voice. Keep your language concise and consistent. As you edit, maintain a clear hierarchy, strong, readable headings, supportive subheads, and body text. That's easy on the eyes. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 typefaces to keep things unified. Use the Properties panel to fine-tune size, weight, line height, and letter spacing so everything looks balanced and readable at typical screen sizes. Next, refine your color palette. Choose a primary color that represents your personal brand, a neutral tone for backgrounds, and a single accent to draw attention where it matters. Think about the mood you want to set: calm and refined, or energetic and bold, and let that guide your choices. Prioritize contrast so text stands out against its background. Avoid pale text on light backgrounds. Apply colors with intention. Use the primary for key headings and buttons, the accent for highlights or small details, and neutrals to keep sections open and breathable. If your template includes color styles, update those values so the new palette flows consistently across every page. Give everything a quick review at 100% zoom to check clarity and spacing. Keep sections uncluttered. Let your text breathe and make sure your tone feels cohesive throughout. And that's it. Thanks for watching.